Hello, good day, fams. Regarding the video I made yesterday for how to grow faster on Facebook, how to grow your page faster for upcoming content creators, I got lots of reviews and things, and for the information I shared, but some people also ask questions. So I'm trying to use this opportunity to reply the ones that ask questions. So on one of the persons that asked questions, this question here now, you can see it. It said the boost post feature, what is used for. Boost post feature is just for boosting posts. Like, it's just a type of ad that Facebook has already made easy for you, in which you feel like, I want this particular post to go viral. You made a post and you feel like you want it to go viral, you can just click on the boost post button. If you click on the boost post button, it turns into an ad, and you can select the amount of you want to use around the ad and the number of days. Number one, amount. Number two, number of days. And number three, location, where you want the ads to actually reach, where the audience you want to see it. So these are the three important things in boosting a post. Number one, ads itself, the particular post you want to boost. Number two, the amount. Like, I want to use, let's say I have 10,000 and I want to boost the post for 5 days, like, so it has to be 2,000 per day. So Facebook will show you with 2,000 you reach like 500 people, and if you think, no, I want to reach up to 3,000 people in a day, not 2,000, you can increase the money to at least 1,000, so it will not be 3,000, so you can reach more people. And one thing you have to notice that the higher the money, the higher the reach. So if you cannot compare yourself paying for 2,000 per day with another person paying for 10,000 per day. So if you are reaching, like, let's say 2,000 people daily, that person might reach like 50,000 people. Now money they run up. Then the location again, where you want the people you want, and niche. Let's say you are selling clothes and you are selling clothes to rich men, and you just want them to see it and maybe patronize you. Yeah, you can just boost the post. Though to me, I prefer the complete ad, not the boosting. But that's people that feel like some people still use it. And so if you want to use it, you can click on the button. You have to pay. Then at a point you pay, you insert your details. Facebook there are a lot of payment options. You can use the bank transfer. There is the PayU. There is the ATM card. You put your PIN and whatever, and the amount of money that you want to run the ad will be deducted from your account, and Facebook will send you a receipt in your email. And yeah, that's just basically it about boosting posts. Nothing too much, just making your post go viral. Like, you feel like, I want this particular post to go viral, I want more people, maybe there's an important information you want to pass, and you don't want to maybe let Facebook make it. You don't want to wait for Facebook to choose whether to make it viral or not. You want to use your hand, particularly with your own power and your pints and your money, and make it viral. Yeah, click on and go. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much. So any other person that has another question, you can still ask me in the comment section and I'll answer you. So thank you so much, and every other person, have a nice day. Bless up.